Welcome to CropGen, India's first automatic agronomy advisory system. In this video, you will learn how you can easily manage your farming, get daily crop-related updates, and make smart decisions for your crops. First, go to the Play Store and download the CropGen app. When the app opens, select your preferred language so the advice reaches you in the language you understand. Now enter your mobile number. This number will be used for both login and registration. After you receive the OTP, enter it and verify. That's it, you are now logged into CropGen. Now you are on the CropGen home screen where your smart farming journey begins. After login, you will see the CropGen home screen where every card helps you improve your farming. At the top is the weather card where you get daily updates on today's weather, temperature, and rainfall. The next section is Add Field where you can add your farms and view all your added fields in one place. In the community section, farmers can connect with each other, ask questions, and discuss farming problems. In the crop information section, you get complete knowledge about your selected crop from sowing to harvesting. And finally, the Mandi rate card where you see the latest market prices based on your location. From weather to market prices, CropGen gives complete farming information all on one screen for every farmer. Add Field section. Now let's talk about the most important feature of our application, the Add Field section. As soon as you click the Add Field button, the app takes you to the map view of your farm. If you are at your farm location, it auto-detects your location. If not, you can search your village or field name in the search bar. After selecting the location, click Create Farm. A short tutorial pop-up appears to show how to mark your field boundaries. Select the boundary points of your field to draw a polygon. Once complete, click the Save button. Now enter a few details related to your farm. Times farm name. Times sowing date. Times crop name. Times variety name. Times irrigation type. Your farm is now saved. You can go to the My Farms list to see all your farms. And each farm has a View Details button. When you click this button, you will see a complete report of your farm such as soil condition, weather details, crop growth report, and all essential insights. Farm Detail page. Now let's talk about the Farm Detail page where you can see your farm's full health report. First is the Crop Health section. Here you see the NDVI heat map, which shows the health of your crop. You can choose different legends. Crop Health Check, Soil Organic Carbon, Moisture Stress, and Water Stress. To view conditions from different angles, even date-wise comparison. Below that is the Crop Health card, where you can see times crop name, times expected yield, times crop age, times total farm area. There is also a Crop Health Progress bar, which shows your crop's health percentage. If your crop health is low, CropGen Alert tells you what actions to take to improve your crop growth. Advisory section. The next section is Advisory, where CropGen gives you a 4-day advisory based on your crop, telling you which parameters need attention: moisture, irrigation, temperature, or nutrients. Soil Health card. Next comes the Soil Health card, which shows your soil condition, NPK levels in progress bars, and soil moisture and temperature. Below this, CropGen recommends fertilizers to maintain soil balance. Weather section. Next is the Weather card, showing a 7-day weather forecast, along with today's weather. If rain or weather changes are expected, CropGen gives instant advice to keep your crop safe. Crop Growth Timeline. Next is the Crop Growth Timeline, showing all growth stages and the current stage of your crop. This is your complete digital farm report, all in one place, only on the CropGen app. CropGen Chatbot. Now let's talk about the CropGen Chatbot, which gives instant answers to all your farming questions. When you click the Chatbot button, a new screen opens where the CropGen assistant welcomes you. It first asks a simple question. Who are you? So it can give the right answers based on your needs. You get 3 options. Small blue diamond, I am a farmer. Small blue diamond, I am from an organization. Small blue diamond, I am here to explore. After choosing your role, you can directly ask any question. You can ask anything related to your farm. Soil, crop, weather, pest, disease. And the CropGen chatbot gives the solution instantly. This is the CropGen chatbot. Your smart farming partner, giving instant answers. Crop information section. Now let's talk about the crop information section, where you get complete details of every crop all in one place. When you click crop information, you see the list of all crops. If you can't find your crop, just type its name in the search bar and select it instantly. When you select a crop, you get all its necessary information. You first see general information, crop identity, uses, and key features. Then climate information, best seasons for the crop. Then soil information, which soil is best and which nutrients are needed. You also get information on popular varieties, so you can choose the right one. Then land preparation, steps to prepare the field before sowing. Then sowing information, right time, seed depth, spacing. Seed information, seed rate and seed treatment details. Then fertilizer information, which fertilizers to use, when, and how much. Next are 3 important protection sections: weed control, pest control, and disease protection. In irrigation management, you learn how much irrigation is needed and when. And finally, harvesting and post-harvest information, right time to harvest and how to manage the produce. So whether you are a new farmer or an experienced one, CropGen gives complete crop knowledge, so your farming always moves in the right direction. From guesswork to smart work, CropGen, your smart farming partner. Mandi rate section. Now let's talk about the Mandi rate section, where you can check fresh market prices for your crops based on your area. On the home screen, you will see the Mandi rate section. Just click the Check Rate button. Once you click, you can see Mandi prices for all crops based on nearby markets. Now choose your crop and instantly check minimum, maximum, and average prices. CropGen gives daily updated Mandi prices, so you can get the best price at the right time. Now selling crops is based on data, not guesswork. Friends, this is CropGen app, India's first automatic agronomy advisory system, where every farmer gets AI and satellite-based smart farming solutions. This app understands every need of your farm: crop health, soil fertility, weather, and market prices. CropGen supports you at every step with data-driven recommendations to make farming accurate, sustainable, and profitable. No more confusion. No more guesswork. Because now farmers move from guesswork to smart work. Download CropGen app today and join us in making every farm a smart farm.